Hello everybody, hope you all doing fine. I am back with yet another video on Tech Academy. Today in this video I'm gonna guide you through how to change profile picture on Rumble. So if you're wondering how to change profile picture on Rumble and did not know how to get started, then this video is for you. Today in this video I'm going to absolutely guide you on the procedure of changing profile picture on Rumble. So if you want to learn how, then keep watching the video till the end and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now in order to change profile picture in your Rumble account, first of all go ahead and tap on Rumble application. So since Rumble application is not available on my region, so I'm gonna head up to Google and then search for Rumble and then get access to its website. So if Rumble app is already installed in your mobile phone, that is if it is available on your region, then you can simply tap on Rumble application instead of going and searching it on Google. So on Google, first of all type on Rumble application and then tap on search. Now head up to the first option of Rumble, click on there. Now this is my account or my channel on Rumble, so go ahead and tap on the profile icon which is in the top right corner. Now you can see several options available here such as account overview, stats and earning, my content, my channel's live streaming, but you have to tap on second last option that says account options. So go ahead and tap on account options. Now scroll all the way down and then you can see profile picture here. So go ahead and tap on upload photo just below your profile. Now you will be available with a tick sign and a cross mark. So go ahead and tap on the tick sign which is inside the green box. Now it says uploading profile picture. So I'm sure it's gonna take some time. Now scroll all the way down. So that's it guys. I have changed my profile picture into another photo. So it has been uploaded and changed. So this was the easiest way to change our profile picture on Rumble. So I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.